Give me some.
Hey LoveBugs, welcome back to LucilleBatiste. My name is Lauren. So I wanted to share with you guys my first ever, this is a big deal, my first ever designer bag purchase. I purchased this bag on my own and it was a big deal because it's like my birthday's coming up and I want to do something special for myself and kind of treat myself, and it's just like a big deal. I feel like a real grown woman now that I have this bag. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, please stay tuned. So if you guys are interested in this bag or the brand bag that I got a Prada bag, and just look at, first of all, look at this packaging. This just it's everything. I was so excited, and like I thought about getting a Louis Vuitton, a Neverfull, as my first purchase, but I just was like, no. I told myself I was gonna get a Prada bag. If that was gonna be my first purchase, I was gonna get a Prada bag. So I just wanted to, like, I went to Louis Vuitton, but I just decided to just kind of stick with my guns and stick with what I said to myself and just go ahead with that. And I'm so happy and pleased that I did do that. So first off, I wanted to talk about the wallet that I got, and this is the box that it came in. Like, it's just beautiful, right? It's just like, this packaging is everything. So the bag I got, the wallet I got, it coordinates with the bag I got, of course, you know I had to do it. And actually the wallet I wanted, they did not have it in stores. I went in stores to purchase it. So this is the Portafogli Saffiano, and I'm going to open it up. This is like my unboxing for you guys. So they didn't have this in store, they had to order it. So can you believe that packaging, this is how they delivered it to me in the box, like on point with the ribbon and everything. Like, it's just beautiful. So here we go with the packaging. I'm gonna open this up for you guys. And it was just like amazing, like opening this up. I was just like so excited about it. Like, look at it. I wanted the classic triangle and everything. So, you know, I just had to. So this wallet is a Saffiano leather. So it has like that pattern to it. And of course, you know, I love black and gold, so I had to do my black with my gold accents. That's like my whole thing. And just opening it up, it has so many compartments in it. It even has like a little coin section, zipper pocket. You have like a spot where you can put a checkbook in if you want to. Lots of card space as well on each side. So this was like a must. Like, the bag that I got, when you guys see the bag I got, like, I needed a substantially sized wallet that was gonna fit everything that I needed in it. I did not need like a little tiny wallet. I was like, you know, you gotta go big or go home at this point. So that's what I decided to do. I decided to go big or go home. So this is the Saffiano wallet. I love this wallet. I love that it has a zip because I just don't want to lose anything. Just this with my mom. She was with me and just growing up and just watching her when she like made her decisions on the bags that she purchased and the reasons why she went behind and like made the decisions that she made about getting the bag. She always wanted like zipper wallets, like something that stuck with me, getting zipper wallets. And I actually, like, most of my wallets are zipper wallets because it just has a little bit more security to it, and it's like more like everything is consolidated in this. And really, I could walk around with this bag and use this as a clutch if I wanted to. It's beautiful and it's just a standout on its own. So you don't even need like the full-size bag. I could just take this with me and stand on them. And just the interior of the box. Look at the detail of the interior of the box. Like, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, Prada, come on now. Come on now. Why y'all do this to me? Why did y'all do this to me? As the same, I'm struggling with this big old box, but this has the same kind of Prada tissue paper. And here is the bag. It's gorgeous. So this is the Saffiano, and this is the tote. This is the large size tote. because I wasn't going to get like a small. I wasn't going to get the medium. I had to get the large. Like if I'm going to get a bag, like I said, I'm going to go big or go home. So I love this because I really wanted for my first bag to be a black bag. I love the gold accents. You guys know I had to get the traditional triangle on it, and I had to get a bag with feet on the bottom, of course. That's something my mama taught me as well. So that's what we just gonna go. Annette taught me. Okay, so this is all that she taught me. Getting things like that. Like those are the things that you want to look for. And it has this beautiful luggage tag attached to it, a little luggage tag on it that has the Prada and the gold accents as well. And the interior is this beautiful red color, which is like, that's my whole thing, guys. This is my whole thing. Black with red interior and gold accents. Like what? What? So it has this little piece here that unbuttons and that lets you open the bag up. So just looking inside, this is what the inside looks like. It's lit, y'all. It's just like a gorgeous bag. It's beautiful. It comes with this little drawstring bag that's carrying the little straps for when you want to wear it like as a shoulder bag. You can wear it as a shoulder bag with these straps. This is all Saffiano leather. Like this is the Saffiano leather here. Now I coordinated with this, like everything is Saffiano, okay? Everything is Saffiano. And it's just absolutely beautiful. It's just so gorgeous. And just opening it back up, like this is how I felt when I looked at it in the store. It was just amazing. And so this little part I like about the tote, which, you know, having a tote versus a zip up, because I saw that was like a zip up one, which is of course is like a lot more expensive. But that's something that I definitely would look at in the future. The next purchase that I make with Prada would probably be that bag. I think this is a great starter bag and a great bag just for like where I'm at right now in life. And another part that I really like is in the middle section that I showed you guys. This middle section has a magnetic little flat part, and that says Prada on it. It says Prada on it. And this middle section is just like a little nice spot. You can put some important things, maybe keys or something like that in there. So, and it's gorgeous. It says Prada made in Italy in Milano. And I did not know, but when we were in the store it said Prada Milano 1913. So you guys know that's significant for me as well. So it was just like this all came together to be like, this, Lauren, this is for you. This is what you need. This black red with gold accent. This bag is the bag. This wallet is the wallet. So I'm just so excited like to wear it. Just like a beautiful bag. It's very, very high quality. I know this is gonna last me for a long time. This is like a purchase that's gonna stick with me for a while, and I know like it's worth the money. It's worth the work that I put into being able to afford it. And so I'm just happy that I was able to give this to myself and gift myself with this. I feel like I said, a grown woman. I feel like a real woman, a grown woman with a Prada bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have made a designer bag purchase, leave a comment below. Let me know what your first designer bag purchase was, so we can have a dialogue about this, because this is, I haven't talked about, I've talked about beauty, but I haven't really got into fashion and like, you know, designer clothing and things like that. But I do like, you know, I dibble and dabble. I like nice things, you know. I like to take care of myself and have quality products. So we can talk about this, and if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this from me, then please let me know. I think the next one that I will do when it comes to designer bag is what's in my bag for this bag. Yeah, I just want to keep showing you guys this because it's just like bam, bam. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and especially if you enjoyed it, make sure you share this video with a friend. Let's grow the LoveBug family. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Press the subscribe button, push that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from LucilleBatiste, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, LoveBugs.